Welcome to Soul Healing. I'm Tasneem Ibrahim, a clinical hypnotherapist, hypnosis and instant memory trainer. Today I'm going to talk to you about how is it possible for us to remember our past lives. We came into this world empty-handed with nothing with us, and when we leave this world, we will also again go empty-handed with absolutely nothing with us. So we can't take our worldly possessions with us, like for example our money and wealth, our homes and cars, bodies and appearances. We cannot take any of these with us. However, what we can actually take with us and what we do take with us is our mind. So unless we have attained ascension in this life, our mind will accompany us and our soul after death. So what is the mind? The mind is one that stores all our memories, and it is only because we take our mind with us after death that we are able to remember and recall all our lifetimes, every single thing, our thoughts, experiences, emotions, etc. So how does the soul actually take the mind with it after death? We can find out about this in very deep states of meditation, which is also known as superconsciousness. You can even find explanations of this in most ancient religious scriptures. So let us see first what a human being is. A human being is actually made up of 4 bodies: the physical body, the auric body, the astral body, and the causal body. So let us see and learn a little more about each of these bodies. So as you know, the human being is made up of the physical body, the auric body, the astral body, and the causal body. So when we die, the physical body gets left behind, and what actually goes with the soul are the auric, also known as the energy body, which consists of the aura, and science now has proven this to exist. The astral or emotional body, which is a vapor-like duplicate of the physical body, also goes with the soul, but it cannot be seen with the naked eye. The causal, thought, mental or manifestation body, which has no physical representation, also goes with the soul. So we can say that death is only a separation of the auric, astral and causal body from the physical body. It is like a person who goes from one room of the house to another. The soul goes from the physical plane of existence to the subtle plane of existence. So what is the subtle plane of existence? To understand this, we should know the subtle body. The subtle body is the mind. So when a person is alive, the soul is clothed with all these bodies, and the subtle body is merged with the brain and the mind. So the brain and the mind are one when a person is alive. However, when a person dies, the physical body is left behind and the soul, carrying the subtle body with it, leaves, and therefore the mind also goes with the subtle body. Now it is this mind and not the brain which stores all the thoughts, actions, experiences and emotions. The mind here signifies subconscious mind, which stores all these thoughts, sensations and emotions. Therefore, even though the brain is left behind, all the emotions and thoughts, sensations, etc. go with the mind. Now, since the mind travels from one lifetime to the next, the memories of all the past lives as well as the current life are stored in the subconscious mind. Now, when a soul comes into a new life, this entire library of past memories can be easily accessed by the new brain, and in this way, a person can remember all their past lives. So, we still come back to the question, how does a soul take the mind with it after death? Generally, these past life memories are buried deep in the recesses of the subconscious mind. Therefore, most people cannot remember their past lives. But in certain situations, like when a soul reincarnates quickly without spending too much time in the soul world, or through hypnosis, or through certain specific deep meditation, you are able to remember events from some or all past lives. The soul evolves from the crystal form to the plant form to the animal form to the human form on earth. So we actually are evolving from one form to the other. Lord Buddha also remembered many of his past lives, and some of the past lives also included those which his soul evolved through animal birth. You can contact us at any of these links given below. The links are given in the description below. You can join our Facebook group. You can follow us on Instagram. You can even contact us on WhatsApp. We request you to like our Facebook page at Soul Healing, as well as Giftway. Please do contact us. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and comment to it, and you can ask any of your questions in the description given below. Thank you very much.